Good morning, everybody. It's Davel. I just landed here at Tijuana Airport, and it's kind of a busy morning right now. And I'm shooting this right now on my iPhone as my GoPro here ran out of battery power from all the videos I've been shooting. But anyway, I'm gonna head over right now to the baggage claim, and then head over to, you can see this here, but it's the Cross-Border Express. So I have no idea how long the process is going to take. I can't imagine it taking too long here, but yeah, so it's just, I'm right kind of here at the airport right now. Very glad to be back. Had a great trip to Mexico City. As I said before, everybody should definitely do it. And a lot of culture, a lot of history there, and it's a lot of fun. We do a lot of cool things down there. So you see here, just walking all the way down here right now to the baggage claim. And again, you can see it's a really, really busy day here. It even feels a little busier than the San Diego Airport, so let me get an idea. I don't know if you can see this in the distance, but there's a Viva Aerobus plane there with the Raiders logo. Thought that's kind of cool. So, but yeah, just a really, really busy day. And as I said before, it feels like it's even busier here than even at the San Diego Airport or something. So, but let's see here. I will check in with you after I get my bags and kind of see what the Cross-Border Express experience is like crossing from Mexico back into the United States. So, okay. I will see you soon. Okay, so as you can see, I've got my luggage down here, and I'm going to follow the signs here to San Diego for the Cross-Border Express, and let's see what this is like here. So busy thing here, you can see, but I won't be able to be shooting too much here. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. I just gotta cross this line here, and then go through U.S. Customs, and I should be good. So, or actually no, cross the Sky Bridge, and I'll be in the USA. So, yeah, let me check in after I do that. Okay, I got done through, I guess, the Mexican side of crossing the border, and now I'm gonna cross into the US. So there are a lot of steps though. You gotta have like all your documents ready, like your boarding pass, your CBX ticket, and your US passport. But you can kind of see I'm heading over right now, walking down the hallway. It's kind of a zigzag of a maze. I mean, so far though, it's been kind of, I won't say confusing, but a lot of steps or something like that. And let's see here. Crossing over. Now I have to go through U.S. Customs. And they say you gotta have everything ready here for your documentation. So let's see what happens here. And now I'm walking through the Skyway, the Sky Bridge. That's going to take me into the U.S. Customs here. Sorry, I'm jiggling my iPhone here as I'm filming this. I wish my GoPro here didn't run out of power, but it is what it is. And you can see right here, I'm in, this is the sign here. So now I'm officially crossing into the United States. So this video is going to look very interesting when it's all said and done, I guess, but all good. It's going to be like really shaky and everything. I wonder if I'll be able to get my passport stamped. Oh, I'm gonna stop filming.